Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to talk about NetSuite. Whether you are a small business owner or startup founder or just someone looking to understand how NetSuite can help with the business management, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like this video. Let's get started. So first, what exactly NetSuite is? NetSuite is a cloud-based cloud-based business management software. That means everything runs on the internet. No downloads, no local servers, and you can access it from anywhere. It helps business manager their finance, inventory, customer relationships, which is CRM, order, supply chain, and human resources, and many more things. Like like all in one platform for running a business efficiently. Now, why should you use it? NetSuite. If you think why should you use NetSuite, so first thing, which is everything is on the place. Then first thing is everything is in one place. Now you can switch between different things. For example, normally business use different software for different tasks, one for accounting, another for inventory, and third for managing customer, and maybe even more payrolls. Now, with NetSuite, you don't need to jump between few different systems. Everything from sales to finance to inventory to customer support, it built into one platform. That means you save time, reduce errors, and all your data stays connected and updated automatically. Now, if you talk about second case, which is it is cloud based, which means what does cloud-based mean? It means NetSuite runs entirely online, just like Gmail or Google Docs. You don't need to install it on your computer, and you don't need a physical server. You just log into through a web browser, and the best part, it updates real time. So if someone from your team created a sales order in one city, you can see it instantly from another. Plus you can use it from another device, laptop, tablet, or even from your phone. Now if you see the third use case, it is gives powerful report and dashboard. Now, NetSuite doesn't just store your data, it helps you to understand it. You can create reports that shows how much money you are making, what product are selling best, which department are costing the most, and the much more. Dashboard show you this information visually in graphs, in chart and KPIs right when you log in. Now that means you don't need to be a finance expert to make smart decisions. NetSuite brings the insight to you. Now, the last case is it is highly customizable. You can adjust NetSuite based on your company's need. So yeah, in order to get a free product tour, what you can do is just simply click on the free product tour in the website of NetSuite. So and add fill all the details, and after filling out all the details, something will look like this. Thank you for your interest in the suit free product tool. Now in that, if you see their website, you will get to see a lot more about their website. If you go into products, you can see over there is a product overview. You can know about their products like enterprises resources planning. So what does it mean? NetSuite Enterprises Resources Planning is offers a modern, suitable solution to run all your key back office operation and financial businesses process in the cloud. Now, the second product is a global business management, which is NetSuite. One world delivers an integrated and unveiled platform that seamlessly handles the multiple countries, taxation rules, and reporting requirement across the business. So these are the products of the NetSuite. If you talk about why it is the global business is important for business operating globally, one word ensure to compliance and provides unfiltered view to international operation. Now if you see in the customer relationship management, uh, what does it mean? It does mean that NetSuite CRPM offers a complete view of customer interaction from lead generation to post sale support. Key features are Salesforce automation, marketing campaign management, and customer service and support. Now, why it is important? It's important maintaining strong customer relations is crucial. The this CRM system helps in tracking and nurturing customer interaction effectively. Now, if you see is the fourth is professional services automation. What it does it mean is does it mean that NetSuite PCA assists services based business in managing project resources and billing. Now, if you talk about why it is important, then for services oriented companies like PSA ensures projects are delivered on time and within budget. So yeah, this is open source or open air NetSuite solution for advanced project management and resource optimization. So it helps in maximizing resources efficiency and profitability across service engagement. You can just come over or their website and you can see it by yourself. Now let's talk about industry. So if you select the industries over here, you will get to see the industry overview. Now, NetSuite offer a tailored solution for a wide range of industries, ensuring that business can leverage its cloud-based platform to meet their unique operational needs. Here is a breakdown of some keys industries and how NetSuite support them. First is advertising and digital marketing agencies, where NetSuite automates agency workflow, enabling it enables efficient projects and resource management. It also integrates with platforms like DoubleClick for comprehensive tracking, helping agencies assess account and project profitability. Now, and the second thing is consulting. Now, for consulting firm, NetSuite provide financial and resource project management solution that empower a global mobile workforce to remain productive regardless of location. Now, if you talk about the education, it's kind of like education institution can utilize NetSuite to focus on core strategies while minimizing their risk. Now, reducing cost and enhancing strategies. So these are some overview of. They have a lot of industries use cases, as you can see here. It's media publishing. If you go into media and publishing, you can NetSuite unifies business processor across media and publishing enterprise, from lead generation to insertion order and invoicing, enhancing visibility to into company performance. Now, yeah, there are lots of things. If you go into customer, they have like they aspire systems, Gina. There are a lot of things trusted by more than 41,000 customers. Now, if you go into solution, you can sort it by businesses. If you are a startup, then you can go into startup. It will give you the startup take control your business. So it will give you the startup solutions. Now by role, you can uh, just figure out it by role, and if you are by current software, then you can choose as well. Now that's it. This is that's all about NetSuite. With the help of NetSuite, you can record a sale transaction, you can manage customers, you can manage inventory management, and you can create financial report as well using NetSuite. Now, if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and leave a comment below. And if you found this information very interesting, then just comment it down. And thanks for watching.